The world's most powerful billionaire and the most controversial former US president are now locked in an all-out war, and the fallout could reshape politics, technology, and even space exploration. What started as a disagreement over government spending has escalated into personal attacks, threats to NASA, and even hints of scandalous Epstein connections. This feud isn't just about ego, it's about control, money, and the future of American power. Here's the full breakdown of what's happening, why it matters, and what could come next. The feud went public when Elon Musk called Trump's latest budget bill a disgusting abomination, due to its $2.5 trillion increase to the federal deficit. Trump, in response, accused Musk of hypocrisy, claiming he had full knowledge of the bill's contents before suddenly opposing it. The real breaking point? Trump's decision to cut electric vehicle (EV) subsidies, a move that directly threatens Tesla's profits. Musk's companies, particularly Tesla, have heavily relied on government incentives, including California's EV mandate, which forces automakers to buy emissions credits from electric vehicle producers like Tesla. These credits accounted for nearly 40% of Tesla's net income last year. Trump framed Musk's outrage as self-serving, saying, "He only developed a problem when he found out we're cutting the EV mandate." Musk retaliated by suggesting Trump's name appears in the sealed Jeffrey Epstein files, a potentially explosive claim that could damage Trump's reputation if proven true. This marked a sharp escalation, moving the fight from policy disputes to deeply personal attacks. The conflict took an even darker turn when Musk threatened to decommission SpaceX's Dragon spacecraft, the only vehicle currently capable of transporting astronauts to and from the International Space Station, ISS. If followed through, this move could leave NASA astronauts stranded in orbit, forcing the US government into a crisis. This isn't just a hypothetical threat. Musk's companies, SpaceX, NASA's primary spaceflight provider, Starlink, a critical military and civilian communications network, and Tesla, a key player in energy and transportation, have become deeply embedded in national infrastructure. If Musk chooses to weaponize his control over these systems, the consequences could be catastrophic. Steve Bannon, a key Trump ally, responded by calling for Musk's deportation and even the nationalization of SpaceX, a radical suggestion that highlights just how high the stakes have become. While the public spat between Donald Trump and Elon Musk appears to be driven by personal animosity, the true roots of this conflict lie in a complex web of financial interests and strategic positioning. Both men are engaged in a high-stakes battle where business survival, political influence, and long-term legacy hang in the balance. Elon Musk's calculated risks for Musk, this feud represents an existential threat to multiple pillars of his empire. Tesla's financial health has long depended on government subsidies, particularly the electric vehicle (EV) tax credits that have bolstered the company's bottom line. The potential elimination of these incentives under Trump's policies could expose Tesla to heightened competition from Chinese automakers like BYD, which are rapidly gaining market share with more affordable models. Without these financial cushions, Tesla's profitability, and by extension, Musk's reputation as an infallible innovator, could be severely undermined. Beyond the automotive sector, Musk's ambitions in artificial intelligence, AI, are equally at risk. His newly formed venture, xAI, is in direct competition with industry leaders like OpenAI, a company he once co-founded but now views as a rival. Political alliances are crucial in this space, where regulatory decisions can make or break emerging technologies. By alienating Trump, Musk may lose valuable support in Washington, leaving him vulnerable to competitors who have stronger political ties. Additionally, Musk's extensive operations in China add another layer of complexity. Tesla's Shanghai Gigafactory is a cornerstone of the company's global supply chain, but escalating US-China trade tensions under a potential second Trump administration could jeopardize this critical asset. Musk's ability to navigate these geopolitical crosscurrents will determine whether Tesla can maintain its dominance or succumb to external pressures. Trump's political calculus on the other side of this feud. Trump's motivations are equally strategic. His political brand hinges on portraying himself as a populist outsider who fights against entrenched elites, a narrative that now includes Musk, despite their previous alliance. By attacking Musk and cutting EV subsidies, Trump reinforces his connection to traditional energy sectors, particularly oil and gas, which remain a loyal part of his base. This move also allows him to position himself as a defender of fiscal responsibility, even as his own budget proposals have historically expanded the deficit. However, Trump's aggressive stance carries significant risks. Musk's suggestion that Trump's name appears in the Jeffrey Epstein files is a potential bombshell that could resurface at a critical moment in the 2024 campaign. If Musk or others release verified documents linking Trump to Epstein, the political fallout could be devastating, undermining Trump's carefully crafted image and energizing his opponents. A clash of visions at its core, this feud is not merely a war of words between two wealthy men. It is a collision of competing visions for America's future. Musk represents the tech-driven, innovation-first approach that has defined Silicon Valley's rise, while Trump embodies a more traditional, protectionist ideology that prioritizes national interests over globalist ventures. The outcome of this conflict will influence everything from climate policy to space exploration, as the victor gains the power to shape regulations, allocate resources, and set the nation's strategic priorities. The broader implications of the Trump-Musk feud also raises critical questions about the role of billionaires in shaping public policy. With Musk controlling essential infrastructure like SpaceX and Starlink, and Trump commanding a vast political movement, their battle underscores the disproportionate influence wielded by a handful of individuals. Should private entities like SpaceX have the power to hold government operations hostage? Can a single tweet from a billionaire upend national security? These are the unsettling questions this conflict forces us to confront. Ultimately, this feud is a microcosm of larger societal tensions, between innovation and tradition, between globalism and nationalism, and between public good and private power. As Trump and Musk continue their war of attrition, the repercussions will extend far beyond their personal rivalry, shaping the trajectory of American industry, politics, and governance for years to come. This isn't just another celebrity spat. The Trump-Musk war has real-world consequences for the economy, space exploration, and even the 2024 election. With Musk controlling essential infrastructure and Trump commanding a massive political movement, their conflict could redefine the balance of power in America. The question now is, who blinks first? And what happens if neither does? Who do you think is in the right, Trump or Musk? Could this feud actually lead to Musk losing control of SpaceX? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the biggest stories shaping our future.